the lake. So the lake over there, Lake Lehtojärvi. And we lift over 300 of these cubes each year. And these will then become furniture, art, anything you can really think of. And we store those in our 2 industrial-sized freezers, which we run with solar power. Right now we are in the midst of the polar night, meaning that the sun is up for about 2 seconds each day, or 2 hours or so. But during the summer we have something called the midnight sun, meaning that the sun does not set. So we have endless solar power during the summer. Each year. And we actually make it ourselves in 1 week. And now I know some of you might think, okay, so you guys use fake snow. Well, it's lake water that we shoot to the sky and it falls down as snow. When we start building, there's not enough natural snow so that we could use it. And then as well, the artificial snow is much more dense, so it's easier to build with and also easier to store. And we need so much of it that we have to make it ourselves. And the machines we use are the same kind that you'd find in any ski resort as well. Here you can see the amount that we need. Always, no matter what, open on the 15th of December, so we have to get it done. This year we had 25 builders and then 3 machines, so excavators. But the machines are really only used to move the molds and put the snow inside, so everything else is done by the builders. And the molds we use, we designed ourselves. And they're kind of like, imagine a wooden box. So the machine puts the box wherever we want the wall, the arch, whatever we're building to be. Then they drop the snow inside, and then the builders go inside the mold. And they start compacting the snow with their feet. So like this, you can see there. So every single thing that's there was done like this. So you don't have to go to the gym afterwards. A lot of exercise. And it takes about 30 minutes to do 1 mold, and you can see when you go inside the hotel, there's kind of lines where you can see where 1 mold ended. So a lot of work. And our builders work for about 6 days a week, 12 hours a day. So long days. Days and 3 nights continuously, no breaks. Not the same person doing it the whole time, but still. Yeah, and you have to be super awake when you're doing it. You can't spray one spot for too long or it will crack. So you have to be constantly kind of going around. And when it's thick enough, we pop the mold and it leaves this kind of like dome shape. And you will notice the atmosphere is super different inside the ice bar because it doesn't echo anywhere else at all inside the snow hotel because of the snow, but it echoes in the ice bar. So what you can try is that one of you says something to the wall and the other person should be able to hear it on the other side. But this also means that if you have some secrets, don't discuss them in the ice bar because we can hear you. This is going to be once in a lifetime for you, but also for us each year. This is a chapel. Of course, it looks different this time around, but the mold we use is always the same, and we only use it for the chapel. And actually, if you book a wedding with us, you won't know what the chapel is going to look like.